So this is what you're going to do. You open the link, and here you can practice irregular verbs. Here you see where it says study, you have flashcards, learn, write, spell, and test. When you click on flashcards, you have the verbs, the verb be, and when you click on it, was aware. It tells you the past. I don't know if you can hear it, but it tells you, okay, break, so you study all the verbs, all the regular verbs, okay? When you finish studying, here you see, I haven't finished, but when you finish studying, you go back, we can do the learn activity. In the learn activity, it will give you the verb in the past, and you have to click on the present. If you want to do it the other way about, you click where it says options, and you can click here answer with definition, and it will give you the present, and you have to click on the past. You can change that. Okay, once you practice here enough, you did. Okay, when you practice here, and let me see, okay, here it means that I finished. I go back, no, sorry, yes, I go back. I can practice writing them or spelling. Listen to spelling. Type what you hear. Okay, you practice this way, then you go back, and what you're going to do, you can play games here, match or gravity. In the match game, you have to make everything disappear by matching the present and the past. Okay? Match one or the other. I cannot play because I'm recording the screen now, but okay? And once you have practiced with listening to the flashcards, learning, writing, you do a test. It will give you an option. You see that you write the present, okay? You type the answers. Okay, and you complete everything. Here you have to match the present with the past, so you write the letter in the correct place, okay? Then you choose, won is the past of win, said is the past of said. You choose the correct option, and here you have to say true or false. Left is the past of learn, no, that's false. Took is the past of take, that's true. Ran is the past of ride, false. You choose the correct options, and when you finish, you put check my answers, and you're going to send us a photo of this result, okay? Send us a photo of that result, okay? So that's all you have to do to practice. Again, I strongly recommend that you use this to practice, to study irregular verbs, okay? I think this is very useful, okay? You click here. All right? Let's see how many you can get right. So you study, and then you take the test, and you send us a photo of the test.